We'll begin with the Black Widow fraudster who's been jailed after stealing from a pensioner. Pamela Gwinnett was being jailed after stealing almost £300,000 from a vulnerable Chorley pensioner, Joan Green, before fleeing to Tenerife for 16 months. Court heard Gwinnett targeted the retired accountant in a long-running fraud, leaving the victim facing serious financial harm. Elsewhere, a Lahore police constable has been arrested over a serious case involving a girl. A Lahore police constable has been arrested today after the accusations involving a 20-year-old mentally challenged girl in the Ghaziabad area. According to the complainant filed by the girl's father, she left home on August 2nd, 2026 and did not return, after which a local resident allegedly informed the family that a man in a civilian clothes identified as a policeman had taken her away on a bike. Next up, a man accused of keeping a mother's body in a freezer for benefits. A man is accused of keeping his dead mother's body in a freezer while claiming £78,000 in Department of Work and Pension Benefits, or DWP. The case has raised serious concerns over the benefit fraud and handling of the woman's death, while legal proceedings are continuing. Elsewhere, a healthcare assistant sentenced for using dead patient's bank card, or the 23-year-old healthcare assistant from Birmingham has been sentenced after using a deceased patient's bank card just minutes after his death. The court heard that she bought snacks from a hospital vending machine with the 83-year-old man's card and later tried to use it again, while investigators describe the act as a serious breach of trust. Next, a Huddersfield barrister is facing jail after a telephone error at a Huddersfield barrister facing jail after making serious telephone errors linked to a court case. The incident has raised concerns over the professional responsibility and legal conduct, while sentencing is expected to decide the final outcome. Elsewhere, police set up patrols after the Chanderton vehicle trouble. Police stepped up patrols at Chanderton after reports of the antisocial behaviour involving groups of vehicles in that area of Manchester. Officers says loud music and nuisance driving have caused concerns for local residents, while patrols will continue in the Chanderton area. In other news, a Bolton council has backed social media ban for under-16s. Bolton councillors have backed the move today as the ban on social media used for children under that age group of 16. The council heard the proposals could help tackle online grooming, harassment and predatory behaviour hidden behind anonymous social media accounts. Also, a Manchester teen is jailed over a knife threat attack. A 19-year-old from Manchester has been jailed after threatening to kill his victim while holding a knife. The court heard that the teenager used fear and violence during the incident, while the case raises serious concerns over the public safety and protection of victims. Also today, Emma Hurley is jailed over a serious case involving a teenager. Emma Hurley, who's 44, has been jailed after a serious case involving a vulnerable teenage girl in Greater Manchester. The court heard that she was in a position of authority and knew the boy was under 16, while police later found him in her car along with drugs and weapons. And finally, 2 men are to face trial over workers' death. A waste management company and 2 men are due to go on trial following the death of a worker at an industrial estate. The case will examine the circumstances surrounding the incident as prosecutors prepare to present evidence in court.